Hey guys, we are excited to announce the launch of the Thinkware CPL Filter. A circular polarizer filter will suppress reflections from the windshield and the dashboard of your vehicle. It will even help reduce glare. This will improve your dashcam's overall video quality. In the box includes a quick start guide, a cleaning cloth, and a CPL filter. To install the CPL filter, first clean the lens with the cleaning cloth. Once your dashcam's lens is clean, take the protective plastics off of the CPL filter. Line the guide points vertically with the camera lens. Press the CPL filter onto the lens of the dashcam. The CPL filter is now installed. You can purchase the CPL filter on our website in the link below. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you contact our support team.